Hear, listen, follow. Tega amatwi, umva, kurikira. Listen, number 8. Isomo rya munani. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe. Good afternoon. How are you? Mwiriwe. Makuru yanyu. No good. Simeza. What's wrong with you? Nibiki byakubayeho? I lost my sister. Nabuze mushiki wanje. Sorry to hear that. Ihangane, bigoye kubyumva. What might help you? Ese niki nabafasha? Help me at least money. Fasha nibura amafaranga. How much money do you need? Ukeneye amafaranga angahe? 20k. Ibihumbi 20. Don't worry. Wait a moment. Ntugire ikibazo. Tegereza akanya gato. Here it is. Here it is. Nimwakire. Thank you. Murakoze. Murabeho.